Okay, so good day sa lahat. So, our video for this day is all about VLAN and wireless AP setup. So, of course, with different SSID. So, meron po akong ginawang tatlong Wi-Fi name. So, okay, so let's start and syempre, connect tayo sa pinakaunang AP. Okay. And then, try to portal. So, ayan. So,
Maaari ka nang maghulog ng barya. Ang machine na ito ay tumatanggap ng piso, 5, at 10, luma o bago. Dahan-dahan lamang po sa paghulog ng barya para mabilang ng maayos.
okay, so ayun guys. So, going to transfer to another antenna. So, anyway, nilagyan ko siya ng name to identify if that is the second antenna. Okay? So, click. So, ayun, automatically. So, napakabilis lang po. So, anyway, naka-VLAN po yung setup po natin. That's the reason why mabilis po yung portal. Okay, so of course, na-retrieve yung time, oras sa may internet. So, I'm going to transfer to another EP na kung saan yun, click lang natin, then click the connect. So, that is EP number 3. Okay, so check natin kung mariretrieve. Yun. So, totally wala pong nangyaring error for random MAC address. So, ganun nakadali guys, and wala pa akong problema regarding po sa different SSID. So, makikita nyo naman in actual, inisa-isa kong i-test. So, yun. So, makikita niyo dito. Okay, so we have different IP address and wala pong nangyayaring error. So, anyway, na-try ko na rin itong hugutin, tanggalin. If ever, example, if nag-brand out sa location or area, so I have no problem for the time. Lahat po bumabalik after or pag plug in ulit ng machine. Okay, so ayun guys, so makikita nyo wala pong nakalagay sa adapter na sa LAN po. So, walang nakalagay dyan. So, that is totally wireless setup. So, okay, so ito yung order ng customer natin for wireless setup. That's all guys, and thank you.
Can anybody out there